Good morning, boys and girls. Hope all is well. Do y'all know what today is? Huh, 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 huh. Day Wednesday. I hope that y'all had a great weekend. Y'all had extra 2 days because our hurricane was supposed to pass. But thank you that it just passed us by. That's why we do that. Huh, huh, huh. Okay, let's do our calendar. The month. The month is August, guys. August. August, right? Okay. The day is the 26th. The year is 2020. The number is even. Remember, 26 is a what? Even number. Great job. Okay, let's go to our next slide. Yesterday was Tuesday. I'm going to try to circle it. Give me a second. Get the pen. And see if I can circle it. All right. Yesterday was what, guys? Tuesday. Great job. And today is what? Let's go to the next slide. I'm ready. Today is what, guys? Hump Wednesday. We're going to circle Hump Wednesday. Great job. Next slide. Tomorrow will be Thursday. We're going to circle Thursday, okay? All right. Next slide. I have been in school, kindergarten. So how long y'all been in school? This will be y'all 6th day. We're going to write 6. 1st through 4th. How many days? 11. Let's go to the next slide. Okay, so it was even. No, today was it an even number or odd number that we've been in school? So for kindergarten, it was a what? Even number. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Now we're going to erase this. First through 4th. How many days? 11. So guess what? We get to use our 10s. So we're going to circle one of these. Let me get the pen to work. Circle one of these. And one of these. 11. And the temperature. Because we have another little storm further up, if we was in social studies, it's more towards Baymont, Texas, so that's up past us. So it's a little windy, guys. No, at first it is warm. It's warm. Okay. What will we wear today? Shirt, of course. Some of us will wear some shorts. Yes, if I could be at home, I have on shorts, but I have to be at work, so I have to wear a shirt and pants. Next slide. And like I said, it's not raining where I'm at. Is it raining where y'all at? I'm not sure, but over here is a little windy. And the season is still what? Summer. And I hope y'all have a great day. We'll come back with some more videos later on. Can't wait to see y'all calendar. Older guys, let's go over the calendar. Today is Wednesday, August 26th, right? Correct. Y'all writing that in y'all what? Journals. I can't wait to see those pictures. The number for today is today is Wednesday, August 26th. The number 26 is what, guys? Even. Great. The season is what? Summer, great job. Let's see what else. Summer, the weather it's not sunny. It's a little cloudy because we got a little overcast because of that what? That hurricane out there in that Gulf. Good job. That's our science. Good job. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Great job. Tomorrow will be Thursday. And the temperature is Wednesday. And today is the 11th day of school. Can't wait to see those beautiful, beautiful, beautiful handwritings in them journals. We'll come back with some more videos. Have a great day. See y'all later. Bye.